the most important aspects of doing a life reset is taking care of our current workload and responsibilities. And before we can set new goals, or before we start planning on all the things we wish to do in this new season of our lives, we need to take into consideration what we have on our plate right now. Because if we are constantly overwhelmed by pending deadlines, projects, running errands, or any other sort of personal social work responsibilities, how are we going to find the time and space, and how are we going to have the energy to do something new, to create a change, to incorporate a new habit or routine, or start a new project, or just anything else? Now listen, we are all about taking action here on this channel, okay? So yes, we love to learn, but we also take massive action quickly so that we can get some real freaking results. So here is what you are going to do as soon as you click out of this video. So number one, check what deadlines you have due in the next 2 weeks. Look at your calendar. Whenever you're watching this, calculate the date, that's 2 weeks from now. Just write down what are the tasks, what are the things that you need to get done by that date, by the end of next 2 weeks. And the next thing that you need to do is to split those deadlines into singular actionable steps, singular actionable tasks that you can do. That's something that you can finish in one day. Like one task should be small enough to be completed in one day. That's what I mean, okay? So split those deadlines into single standalone tasks, single actionable steps, and any sort of events or appointments that you might have. And then all you need to do is to put all of those actionable steps, events, appointments that you have in the next 2 weeks in order to meet those deadlines. You just need to place them on your calendar, and no need to go fancy here. You can simply use Google Calendar, or you can simply draw a little mini calendar in a notepad or journal or just anything else, and make sure that you assign a date to each of those actionable tasks and to each of the events or appointments that are there. And if you can give specific time to any of those, then please go ahead and do that. And do not be scared to assign a date or time. Just understand that you can always reshuffle if something comes up, if you need to make any last minute changes. But having a planned schedule and predetermined direction is going to really help you finish those tasks and meet those deadlines. And once you have everything laid out in front of you on your calendar, you will be able to have a clear picture of what's possible and what's not possible. Now, if you are someone who gets confused or overwhelmed when it comes to prioritizing your task, I have a pro tip for you. So whenever you are scheduling a task on your calendar, just ask yourself, give it a serious thought, that what would be the impact of completion or non-completion of this particular task on your life or in any area of your life, okay? Before putting anything on your calendar, just ask yourself again and again that is it something that you really need to do, or is it something that you can do without? Is it something that you can delegate? Just make sure that you do not put random stuff on your calendar. Give it a thought. Do not underestimate the planning process, because this is where most people fail, okay? They think that just having a to-do list and just scheduling everything on the calendar, that's enough and that will help them reach their goals faster. No, that is not the case. We really have to carefully think about what we are planning to do or what we are scheduling on our calendar. Is it really helping us move the needle in the direction of our goals, or is it something that maybe I can delegate, or does it really contribute to the growth and success of my life, of my family, or something on those lines, okay? So we have to take that into consideration a lot. Just having a calendar, scheduling, that's just one piece of the puzzle. Now in the next 2 days, we are going to talk more about how to save your time, your energy, and how to actually make space in your current schedule so that you can do all the new things, so that you can pursue some new goals as we step into the new year, or as we enter a new season in our lives, depending upon when you are watching this video. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.